Hi everybody, my name is Matt Olick, and I'm here to share 5 things you need to do to create a highly successful career in marketing and advertising. Step number 1 is to stay up to date with trends. When you stay up to date with trends, you're going to hone in on exactly what the market is responding to and also what your peers are learning about. To do this, you can use tools like Google Trends and all that jazz, but my favorite technique is to go and look at competitor products, looking at the consumer reviews and noting what people love and what they didn't like. Now, what they didn't like or were disappointed with, now this is going to give you the keys because it's identifying a market opportunity. And you can bring this information over to your clients or your personal projects and actually position their product to fill that market opportunity and capitalize on it. Which leads into step number 2. Is to document your process. So when you document your process, you're basically just going to make your work really easy and simple in future and basically make a standard operating procedure, a step-by-step guide on how you do your job so that you don't have to think about too much in the future. Also, when you find success, you can repeat that success time and time and time again, which goes into step number 3, which is to write case studies and share your work. So when you have documented your process and you found success, you should write about it and share it publicly, whether it's on your own website or on online communities that talk about marketing, or even with blogs and publications. What this is going to do is it's going to do step number 4. It's going to help you network with like-minded professionals. When you put this work out there and telling people how you did things and how you got success, what you're going to find is that people start coming to you. They want to learn from you, and they want to, even more, hire you. Okay, so they're going to start reaching out, and then you're going to get more and more jobs. And eventually you're going to build a reputation for yourself in your business. And so this leads into step number 5, which is I recommend to prioritize the customer experience and the client experience over short-term profits. Because what this is going to do is it's going to create a better a brand reputation for yourself. Customers can tell when you're trying to nickel and dime them or you're raising the price on them. And so can your clients. When you have a prospective client coming in and you discuss with them about what you can do for them, they can tell if you're trying to pressure them into getting money out of them. And they can also get the sensation that you're going back, behind closed doors and you're discussing with your other partners or friends about how to get more money. And so when you prioritize the client success or the customer satisfaction, what you're going to find is that people come back to you. They trust you. They want to actually hire you more and more, and they actually will want to pay you more because they're getting such a great value out of you and that they feel that you're on their side, really. And so that's all there is to it, to start from ground zero and just keep building upward until you have a really big, successful agency or business that's selling products. Well, I hope you learned something from this. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a wonderful day. Take care.